So this is your CBX valve stem seal. Got a whole cap full of them here. Try to make a little video of how to pull them. You may have seen another video of mine where I was protecting the head material. And what we've got here is actually I think it was a cap to seafoam that I cut the top off, split it, and it fits down inside and protects. So I bought this kit. Has the seal puller and the installer, and you can find them online for under 20 bucks. But down in here, I don't know if I'm going to hate myself for doing this landscape, is the cap, so or the seal. So I get a hold, and you can feel when you're on the rubber part, and I give it a twist to break stiction, and then squeezing hard. I'm up here squeezing pretty hard. See if I can film and do this, and apparently I can't. Ah, I got it out. You see it? There we go. So if you can do it one-handed while filming, you know it's not that hard. Or don't. So here's this little sleeve that I made. Squeeze it down, put it inside. You didn't see any of that. Reach down inside, get a hold of the rubber. You can tell when you're on rubber. Give her a few twists to break the stiction. This one may be harder out here on the end. I'm not able to do it. I think you got the idea.